Hi, I'm Barbara D here at Guaranty RV, Barbara.Balcom, and I'm out here today to show you a Jayco White Hawk. This is a 29-foot bunkhouse unit. I want to show you a few different things about this unit. Jayco's been building since 1986. They're a well-known name, quality unit, and man, have they ever stepped up in this day and age. This is a 218 we're going to take a look at. So let's go around the corner and take a look. One of the things on the outside, I think I'll do an outside-inside time. So what we have here is a large storage compartment, a utility table, which makes it super duper handy. You've got an enclosed underbelly. This is what's called a slam latch hinge. You push a button, you can stabilize it, keep it from rocking. You've got two doors, and I'll save this door for last. A beautiful awning, outdoor speakers. It's set up for cable, satellite, antenna, the whole 10 yards. Even solar. It's even set up so you can have a solar system and keep your batteries charged if you decide to get off the grid. I like the way that this door opens completely. Nice screen door. This unit is about 7,200 pounds, so you can tow it with probably a 250, maybe a 150 pickup truck, depending on your gear ratio. It's got a little outside kitchen here, which makes it nice. Wow, you can pull this out. Now you've got a sink, you've got a range, you've got a little refrigerator, place to store a few things. Just really handy dandy. Those things that you used to have in the back of your truck, now you've got right here with your trailer. And this grab handle, that's kind of nice. So come on in and take a look. So I raised a boy and a girl, and we had bunk beds. So it's nice that we have a ladder here. I don't know if you've been shopping around, a lot of times the bunks do not offer a ladder. The kids have to crawl up on their own. You've got this nice shelf in this corner, and I'm going to have the camera around, just take a peek in there. So you've got some nice accessories for the kids these days. An outlet, a shelf, a light, a ladder. This opens up down here, so there's a place for you to say, put your junk away, get it off the floor. I need to be able to walk, you guys. Nice bathroom, and I mean, this is a nice bathroom. So I'm not very tall, but you've got a linen shelf here. You've got a nice normal size shower with a skylight in it. As you see, that's all stainless steel fixtures. You've got a porcelain toilet, a basin, medicine cabinet, little place to hang your robe, place for the potty tape, toilet paper, and a nice kitchen. So this is a Norcold refrigerator. I think that they're one of the best that are out there. The inside of this is concave, and it always stays cold no matter what. An oven, a range top, and a microwave. A large sink. It's a split sink. Really nice setup here. A Spradius. This dinette is lovely. You can sit down and visit here. The table is portable, so you could take it outside if you'd like to. We've got blackout blinds, and those are super nice. You can get a lot of light in. The windows are frameless, so you don't have to be servicing those in the winter months. This will make down into a bed for an extra family member. And you come around here, and this is also going to make down into a bed. So we've got room for 2, 4, 6, possibly 8. 2 more makes 10. That's quite a few people. Nice TV in here. A great pantry. You know, that's a lot of the things that are important. It's having a place for your things, having a place for the kids' things, and not being too terribly long. This is a perfect size trailer for going out to any state, county, or federal park. You know, once you get into the longs, it's a little bit harder, but this is 28 feet. Super easy. And you can take a look at the bedroom. This, I think, is super nice. It gives you a view, and of course that closes down. Now you've got wardrobe closets on each side, with a shelf if you want to use them. You've got a little storage here under the bed. And I thought this was a neat idea. These are little pull-outs. So if you want to stick your flip-flops or a pair of tennis shoes in that baby, or something you just want out of the way, you're ready to go. Something that you don't always see is, this is room for a TV, but this is another little closet and a bureau for you. So if you want to hang your robe in here and put a few things away that are out of the way, it makes it really handy. There's nothing like coming out to the trailers and walking in them, sitting down and feeling how it feels when you're in here. So come on out to Guaranty RV. We're here in Junction City. My name is Barbara.Balcom. My phone number 541-521-4232. Give me a call. Come on out, have some lunch. Come out and get to know us. We don't just sell fun, we guarantee it.